3D printing. I just joined the board of 3D Systems, with the largest and leading 3D printing companies. Manufacturing is a $10 trillion industry that will be disrupted in this next decade, massively disrupted. This is the Star Trek replicator on the left. You see Captain of the starship asking for something, and it's being materialized in front of them. We're not there yet, but we're really getting close. The whole idea of 3D printing is that you can print any three-dimensional object layer by layer by layer from the ground up. And I can 3D print a solid block of metal or plastic or rubber or glass, whatever it might be, or I can 3D print the same size object with a million moving parts inside. And the cost and the time for printing the solid object and the object with a million parts is the same. Literally the same. So personalization and complexity comes for free. So what are we 3D printing? Here's some examples. This is a polygon and a polygon with a polygon that's 3D printed from the ground up. These are high-temperature titanium turbine blades that are being 3D printed. So GE is now printing injectors for their jet engines they could never manufacture before. That are giving them just a few percentage points increased fuel efficiency, which translates to billions of dollars in the end. These are concrete and cement 3D printers. Imagine being able to 3D print a custom house. Here's 1,000 different house designs. I want that one. Click, print. This is a person who lost his right lower limb, scanned his left limb, flipped the image, and then printed a 3D composite prosthetic. This is a full-scale motorcycle in the lobby of Autodesk, another amazing design company. And this is a ring. Jewelry is using a lot of 3D printing. Those were the early adopters of this. But what's interesting here about this ear ring is that when you print it, it works as soon as it's finished printed. You don't have to assemble it. It comes out of the printer working. So where are we going with this? Well, there are companies that are now starting to 3D print foods, like chocolates. There will be a time in the near distant future when you're going to have in your home a 3D printer that's going to be, during the day you're going to be measured for your biology, how much exercise you do, what you do, and then it's going to 3D print a candy bar or a nutrition bar for you. It's got exactly what you need to have in that bar for you to get your glucose levels, your protein levels, your calorie levels set. We are entering a period of time where a consumer's willingness to go to Amazon and wait, oh my God, 24 hours for your device to be delivered the next day is going to start to disappear. So for the women in the audience here, I want you to imagine you've got a gala on Saturday night, you want to figure out what you want to wear, you go online, you see a beautiful pair of shoes and a dress that was designed that morning in Bangladesh, you hit print and it's printed in your closet for you. You wear it that night, you throw it into the recycler, and you print something else the next night. The toy industry, a lot of entrepreneurs are heading towards toy printing, where you'll print your customized toys, whether it's a Barbie doll with your daughter's face on it, or a G.I. Joe with your boy's face, where these things are all being customized to your specific desires. For those of you who want, by the way, copies of this slide, let me offer to you, if you just text me your first name and email to this